Brake pipes, mostly originally from manufacturer, they're made of steel and they tend to rot and break off. They're easy enough to replace. You can buy the flaring kits from about £10–11. I'm going to show you how to make one today. It's really a piece of cake. The main thing to start with is that you get the right length brake pipe, and this one is a particularly long one. It has been replaced at some point, so all I'm going to do is run the brake pipe next to it and get it roughly the right size. I know the old one was a bit long as well, so that should be fine. And I'm going to use this brake pipe cutter to cut my pipe. Right, now they got your pipe. I will be using something a little more high-tech. This, you can buy I think this was about £80. So if you can do a few brake pipes, then well worth investing in one of these. If not, like I said, the smaller kits work pretty much the same, except they're handheld. You can even flare them on the car if you need to. But yeah, so I'm going to be using this one in my vise. It's a lot sturdier. Yeah, so I've put a 90-degree bend in there. Don't forget to put your union on the pipe. You probably will, I've done it many times. With this bit of kit, the pipe sits in there, put it up flush against the opening, clamp goes on, will go on, there we go, clamp it down, pipe's not going to go anywhere. And then this end here, you've got a choice of two flares here. So you've got what I like to call a female one, which basically opens the end of the pipe into a V shape, and the other end, male end, some people call them number 1, number 2. This in fact says 1 and 2. In fact, there's a picture there. So this one here gives you a 45-degree angle, opened up outwards, and then this one here, the number 1, is more of a convex thing. It sort of crushes the pipe in on itself like so, and sort of out a little bit. So what I'm going to be doing with this one, a number 1 and then a number 2. So you get your convex bit and then just use the middle there just to tidy up the edges on the inside. Just makes it look all a bit neater. Right, we're going to go in with flare number 1. And then number 2, just to clean the edges up. And if we undo the clamp, we've got a nice little flared end. And that'll sit on there. So just the other end to do. And there we have 2 perfectly good looking flares. I'll put links in the description box below to that bit of kit on Amazon, the cheaper version, and also this really cool brake pipe cutter, which fits in the box but doesn't come with it, unfortunately. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.